Hey everyone, it's Dylan from the Black Forest, and we're back again for another week here in the shop. We've got something kind of a little bit different this week, but pretty cool. So we are going to show you guys how we made this cast Corona bottle in resin for the Nelk Boys. They didn't even ask us for this, we just kind of made this for fun, and we posted online, like on TikTok. It did really good. So we're going to show you guys this. Then we're also going to be delivering the River Rock countertop. So long awaited, but it's a really beautiful house that we put it in, so I think you guys are going to enjoy that. And then we've got a few resin pours that we're going to do as well in the pour room. We've got like 3 or 4 molds set up, so you're going to get to see us do those. But go leave a like before we start the video, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Hey guys, so we got our bottle of Corona here, and we're going to be casting it. We already set our base layer before in the red, and then we're gonna set this guy right in the center and then pour the rest full of clear. It's gonna be great. Genius. Ooh. So last time you saw this guy, we were demolding it. Now we're just gonna sand it down on the sides, and then we're gonna chop off the top and a little bit off the bottom, clean it up, make it look real nice. So we're starting with 120 grit on these guys, and we're going all the way up to 4,000 with the Merca, and then we might be doing a liquid sanding afterward, but for now it's just a 4,000. We'll see what that looks like. So we're just using a sanding block here with some sandpaper on it, and we're doing the edges along our bevel so we can clear it up as well as the rest when we sand the rest with the Merca. What we're using here is a liquid abrasive. I'm not actually sure what grit it is, but it's very high. So this is what we're going to be using to polish the whole thing with.
So here is the bottle all finished up, you guys. Few things that I'll kind of point out that maybe we would have done a little bit differently last time. There is a few bubbles. Most of the bubbles you see, they're just kind of trapped on the outside wall of this. So if we would have just planed a little bit more off instead of just sanding the edge, that probably would have got rid of those. And then there's a few bubbles right on the surface of the bottle that we probably just could have brushed off with a stick before it cured. But overall, we're very pleased because this is like a really thick pour for epoxy. We did this using our Black Forest deep resin, so we'll put a link down in the description for this. And if you guys are wondering, this is about 2 liters of epoxy here. So if you were to buy like a 3-liter kit, it would be pretty easy to do one of these yourself. But let us know what you guys think of this and if we should do more. All right, everyone, so we just pulled up on site here for the River Rock countertop delivery. It's going in the basement down there. No Haley today. Haley couldn't come. She's actually at the shop right now editing today's YouTube video, so I'm gonna film everything I can on the GoPro. I might kind of miss some of the heavy lifting going in because I'm gonna have to lift too. But here is the countertop. Getting everything all taken apart here, and then let's follow Brad inside and see where this countertop's gonna go. Nice yard, eh? Okay, so this is where the countertop's going here. Kind of messed something up a little bit here. Let me show you what we got going on. Our LED setup here. As you can see, these wires are loose. I don't know where the other end piece of our LED is, but this actually came and ripped right out. So right here, this came and ripped right out. So unfortunately we had to go get some solder. Brad's on his way to pick that up. We're gonna re-solder those connections together and then everything should be good to go. Here's kind of a little bit of a look at it right now. Countertop is on. Spencer did our repair for us. I don't even know, well, you probably can't even see it, but he fixed it because we ripped all the LEDs out. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah, so there we go. There's our little repair that Spencer's done. So now the LEDs work again. So we are just getting everything screwed in right now. All right, Spencer's gonna turn the lights on here. Give us a little preview of what this is gonna look like. Boom, there we go. Hey, it works pretty good. It does. Yeah. Yeah, like even though there's overhang here, it's still sweet. Oh yeah, all the different controls.
So those are all the different colors you can do, which is pretty sweet.
Well, we just got our River Rock table all installed and finished, and we're just packing up, getting ready to go, and it went well. It's in there, solid, good to go.
One little hiccup.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the lights.
Yeah.
But we got that fixed.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah, other than that.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, he's gonna turn it on. Let's see, the big reveal, everyone. LEDs are on. They can change color. Got everything all mounted up there. And then we also did, just one little detail, the boys cut up this nice walnut trim, so we got no gappage. But there we are. Joe was just saying that he's gonna miss this piece. I think everyone kind of feels that way. we are in the pour room now. It has been like 4 or 5 days since we did these pours. We did 5 pours last week on Friday there, and I'm going to kind of walk you guys through them and explain what they are. So right in front of me here, I've got half of the L-shaped desk that we're working on. The other half is actually just over there by Joe. So basically what we have, they're rectangular pieces other than the one end which has a 45-degree cut on it, and we're going to be joining these two halves together to create one big desk. So we're probably getting the legs in a few weeks here, but that should be a really, really cool piece. We have this piece here. This is a little sycamore burl wall art piece. We might actually be selling it to Audien's brother. Audien is a DJ he actually played a concert here in Calgary that we went to, and we met him. So we're going to be probably sending Audien an art piece as well, but this one might be for his brother. Over here we have got this clear walnut burl piece with the full send red resin. He has a boat that he drives, and he's going to have this go on the boat. And then we have this quilted maple console table with deep blue resin. This is going to get a solid steel base on. Very thick, and I think it's going down somewhere in the United States.
Just like that.
Hello, me. Blimey.
Blimey, that's a weird table. I would bet someone's gonna say that.
Your drill's way faster than mine.
Oh.
Left or right?
I'm in a bad spot. Damn it. You bastard.
Really? Me too. Ooh. That's nice.
Boom.
Just the most boring history.
Yeah.
You got mine?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. The Corona bottle was way more of a hit than we thought it would be. We just did that completely on a whim, and the internet kind of went crazy for it. So let us know if you want to see us do more of that in the future. And then next week we're planning to do this sort of transparent aquamarine pour on this 8-foot round. It's a 6-foot round table, but the sycamore burl itself is 8 feet round to start with. So we're cutting it down to fit in a 6-foot mold. And then we're also going to be just about finishing up that liquor cabinet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and we may have a bonus video coming on Monday, so stay tuned for that.